Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today we installed our 10.25-inch Android screen in a 2014 Lexus Is350 that it didn't come with the navigation and backup camera. We use our universal leaf mount camera, which is perfectly centered at the back of the car. I'm using my phone today to take a clear video to show you how this unit fits. So as you can see, this unit fits perfectly fine on the dash. So that small screen came out and this screen went instead of that small screen, and it's using T-harness. So basically there is no modification or cutting wire and harness. Just to make sure, when you want to use our Android screen, car has to come with this type of knob. And here, as you can see, there is one logo that it says Lexus. By clicking on that, you can go back to the factory menu of the Lexus. So nothing is changed, all the radio functions, everything stays same as before. Just when you want to go back to the aftermarket mode, either you touch the screen and it goes to the aftermarket mode, or you go to media and then you choose aux and then touch the screen, goes to the aftermarket mode. So it reads some information from the OBD, like how much gas left in the car, and also, as you can see, the door is open, door is closed. And here we have navigation, offline maps, and we can go to media. I connect my USB storage to the USB that we add. We can watch video.
Hey Ron, you freaking out?
No. Yes, you are. Can somebody just walk me through what we're supposed to be doing?
And there is another aftermarket Bluetooth here. The Android part is here. As you can see, these are all the apps that you can use them. Spotify, Google Maps, or Waze. You can use any of them if you want to use them. And also we can add DVR, that's the phone link, and that's the setting. And by going to reverse, the car didn't come with backup camera. It shows the back of the car with dynamic parking guidelines. Again, I'm showing you how the unit fits in there. And again, a friendly reminder to make sure, if you want to buy this type of screen, your car has to come with this type of knob. If you're interested to get these type of screens, we're gonna post them on our website soon, and you can buy them from our website, or you can give us a call at 905-604-4294. We are in Canada, we are in Markham. It's basically Toronto, Ontario, and we will be more than happy to help you out. If dealers are interested, Lexus dealers or any other dealers, they can give us a call and we can install these units in their Lexus. Thank you and have a great day.